Namaste. I'm Dr. Madhuri Patil. I'm an Ayurvedic physician and consultant practicing at Seoul's Navi Mumbai since last more than 25 years. Hereby, I am presenting a single case presentation regarding a single ovarian cyst. A single ovarian cyst, an effect of adjuvant use of PEMF magnet therapy using Anmol Pulsar V1. This is the case summary in short. A single right-sided ovarian cyst suspected to be hemorrhagic in nature in an apparently healthy young woman is treated with Ayurvedic medicine and adjuvant or concurrent use of pulsed electromagnetic frequency with Anmol Pulsar V1. After 6 months of this treatment plan, USG of pelvic region was done. The single ovarian cyst was resolved along with clinically associated symptoms. This is in short patient description. When she first came to me in the clinic, this is how her condition was. An apparently healthy married 42 years female with normal BMI of 22 was suffering from painful menstruation, painful coitus, painful and burning sensation during urination, constipation, dry and itchy skin, too much thirst, feelings of dryness all over body, acidity and indigestion. Her chief complaints were dysmenorrhea, dysuria, dyspareunia, fatigue on slightest exertion. She was suffering from pain in lower abdomen even while walking, burning sensation on and off on urination. She was also suffering from urinary incontinence, extreme intolerance to sweaty and hot conditions, baseline findings, constipation, bloating in abdomen. Her eyes used to look red. She was suffering from insomnia, too much tiredness, always feeling tired, thirsty, acidity post lunch, urination was scanty, frequent, painful, with burning, no fever, no chills, with pain in lower abdomen. Her skin was dry, too much sweating. She was she was feeling itchy all the time, especially on forearms, and she was also suffering from extreme heat intolerance. Her menstruation was irregular, painful. She suffered from heavy bleeding for 5 days, on and off intensely crampy lower abdominal pain. Jiva, Sama, Agni, Madhyam, BMI 22. Her Prakriti was Vata Pittaj, Nadi Pittavataj, Ushna Sparsha, Mandukavata Gati, pulse rate 80 per minute, BP within normal range. These are the investigation before treatment. She had done an USG on 29th of March 2018. Here it is very clearly mentioned that she has right ovarian cyst measuring 3.7 by 3.5 by 3.1 centimeter, which is quite large actually. After getting this report, she came to me specifically for Ayurvedic intervention, and so I started treating her. And the diagnosis at that time was single ovarian cyst and non-conclusive PCOS. As this was the first cyst, at that time it was not known if she will be having more cyst or not. So I have added non-conclusive PCOS also. If she had developed more cyst, then we could have said that it is a polycystic ovarian disorder or syndrome. Treatment plan that I advised her or prescribed her is Dashamularishta, Sarivadhyasa, Gandharva Haritaki, Shatadhauta Ghruta, and Shatavari Ghruta. Shatadhauta Ghruta, I have advised her to apply externally on the skin for addressing her issues of dryness, Punarnavastak Kashaya, especially before starting magnetotherapy sessions. Freshly prepared Punarnavastak Kashaya every day 20 minutes before start of PMF session and then 20 minutes of PMF therapy session after ingesting Punarnavastak Kashaya. This is how I treated. I started her on the treatment. Why PMF? A very simple Siddhant of Ayurveda. I have tried to thought of while prescribing her PMF. Lokapurusha Samya Siddhanta. Internal and external environment of our body. The internal environment of our body it gets influenced very easily by the external environment, and they are both working reciprocally. They are mutually determining and interacting. Especially the internal environment is more susceptible towards the kind of external environment we are having. And there is a constant adjustment to maintain this balance, and which is also called as homeostasis. When there is a failure in the internal environment to adapt and to strike an equilibrium with the external environment, it leads to unhealth or disease condition, which always most of the time starts from inflammatory condition or degenerative condition. External environment stimulates the process of adaptation in the internal environment. It also conditions it and harmonizes with the external stimuli. And this process of harmonizing has been brought about by use of PAMF as an external stimuli so that the internal environment will have an opportunity to adapt, and it can get conditioned to be in a state of homeostasis, and it will get harmonized. Midpoint and progress. PMF magnet therapy probe and magnets placements are as shown in this picture. Post 2 months of therapy, the patient was very happy to share with me her pains have reduced in intensity. By third month, regular and normal menstruation is occurring. There is no pain during menstruation or coitus or even while walking. Even during urination, the pain was reduced. Burning sensation stopped by the 5th month. She was not at all suffering from acidity or bloating sensation, and her sleep also improved a lot than before. Investigation after treatment. After 6 months of this treatment plan that I had showed in the earlier slide along with PMF use, in October 2018, I advised her to go for an USG, and the reports clearly say that there is no cyst in any ovary. There was a slight inflammatory changes in bladder wall it showed. So I continued her on the treatment plan for some more months. So the endpoint findings are clinically the presenting symptoms experienced by the patient were comparatively resolved. Menstrual cycle was regularized within 3 months. Last 2 months regular, no noticeable incapacitating pain. Urination frequency and pain reduced than before. Only complaint is more urination but no burning. Skin itching reduced, slight dryness is still there. Patient has started being more active than before, and she is not at all complaining of fatigue now, like she used to feel. PMF magnet therapy is continued along with other medicines, still for further recovery of the patient, especially symptoms related to frequent urination and incontinence. Before treatment and after treatment comparison. Before treatment, USG shows a single ovarian cyst suspected to be endometrioma or of hemorrhagic origin. After 6 months of treatment, USG shows no ovarian cyst. Urinary bladder wall shows some inflammatory irregularities suggesting cystitis. Conclusion: this is a single case study of treatment of single large ovarian cyst where Ayurvedic medical interventions were combined with PMF magnet therapy as an adjuvant or concurrent therapy. Adjuvant use of PMF has led to faster recovery of the patient with improved quality of life. More such studies are needed for assessing the adjuvant effect of PMF magnet therapy, leading to faster recovery of the patients towards well-being and improved quality of life. Thank you.